Good morning, students. I am here, your science teacher. Welcome to PNA Merce e-learning classes. You all are aware that the nation is fighting against corona, so we are here to teach you through online classes. Now, let us start with chapter 1, Food. Where does it come from? Open page number 1 in your textbook. Now, this chapter is all about food, its variety, ingredients, food material and sources, plants part and animal products as food, what do animals eat, classification of animals and so on. Today we will go through the topics food variety, activity 1 and 2. Okay, now let's start with the chapter. What did you eat at home today? Find out what your friend ate today. Did you eat the same kind of food yesterday and today? We all eat different kinds of food at all times, isn't it? Basically, we are talking about the food that we eat in a day. So first thing that comes in our mind that what is food? Food is the substance which we eat every day containing various edible components that provide us energy and material that helps our body to grow and remain healthy is called food. So basically food is the basic component of our life. It provides us essential nutrients so that we can work all day. Okay, clear? Moving on to our first topic, that is food variety. Activity 1. Ask your friend in the school about the items they would be eating during a day. See if you can also get this information from friends staying in different states of India. List all the items in your notebook as given in table 1.1 for as many friends as possible. In table 1.1, what do we eat? We have two columns. First is name of the student, friend. The next column is food items eaten in a day. One example I am writing here is Rahul and the food item is khichdi. The remaining you will do by yourself. As the topic was about food variety, we eat different kinds of food, that is vegetables, proteins, fruits, grains, dairy products and many more. Now, what happens when we eat variety of food? Variety of food helps us to keep healthy and protect against chronic disease. Chronic disease means the disease that continue for long time. Okay, so we should eat different varieties of food to stay healthy and protect ourselves from disease. Moving on, there seems to be so much variety in the food that we eat. What are these food made of? Think about rice cooked at home. We take raw rice and boil it in water. Just two material or ingredients are needed to prepare a dish of boiled rice. On the other hand, some food items are made with many ingredients. To prepare vegetable curry, we need different kinds of vegetables, salt, spices, oil and so on. Here two dishes are mentioned. One is boiled rice and the second one is vegetable curry. In boiled rice we use two ingredients, that is raw rice and water, and in vegetable curry we used many ingredients like different kinds of vegetable, salt, spices, oil and so on. It means that every dish has its own ingredients and every dish is made up of different types of items. Here we will see about what is ingredient. Ingredient is the material that are needed to prepare a particular type of dish. If you want to make a dish, basically all we need is ingredients to prepare the dish. Without ingredients, we are not able to prepare any dish. So, ingredient is the key for making any dish. Moving on to activity 2, Choose some of the items you listed in table 1.1 and try to find out what ingredients are used to prepare this by discussing with your friends and elders at home. List them in table 1.2. Some examples are given here. Add more items to this list. Now previously I have discussed about Rahul, and the food item which he ate was khichdi. So in table 1.2 we will take the item khichdi and the ingredients for it will be rice, moong dal, oil, ghee and spices. This you have to write in your textbook. Moving on to page number 2, what do we find? Do we find some ingredients common for different food items? Discuss in the class. Here we will talk about rice and roti. The common ingredient that is used is water. So there are many more food items which have common ingredients. So where do these ingredients come from? This was all about today's topic.
Thank you.